Hi guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now in this video we are going to discuss one of the most asked videos, and I think when I search my search console or whatever it is, YouTube search, then most of the people are searching for microbiology book. I don't know why there is so confusion, but actually I know. For microbiology, now there is a bit problem, because in my country, India, microbiology is studied in a different way, but outside India, it is studied in a different way. Okay, in some countries, it is studied like organism wise, like they will study bacteriology, they will study parasitology, they will study what do we call it, mycology, okay, and virology. Now, I actually studied that way, but after my time, the pattern changed, and now they are studying it system wise. Okay, so like they will study, what do we call it, GIT different, and neurology different, which I don't think is a very good way for microbiology. Okay, because Staph aureus, you can study that in your skin and muscles, as well as you can study it in head and neck, as well as you can study it in your CNS. Okay, so if you're from outside India, then the book is straightforward. So if you're outside India, then either you can go for Levinson's or you can refer to the Lippincott. Okay, I don't have Lippincott, but I saw it in my library, and it's really good book. I don't know why people don't study Lippincott for microbiology. Well, of course, microbiology is a subject which you should read from the your country's author, because microbiology of different countries are different. Like in India, it's different, but in US it's different, which actually is doesn't reflect on our entrance exam, because Rocky Mountain spotty fever, we don't see that in India, but it's there in our examinations. Okay, but now they are changing, so it was earlier. Okay, so when we're talking about microbiology, if you're outside India and if you want to know one book for microbiology all over the world, then that is Levinson's. Okay, but when we're talking about diagnostics in microbiology, diagnostics is really important, because that is what the job of microbiologist in reality is. Okay, that's one of the jobs. There are a lot, but this is a very important job. So the diagnostics part is really important, and it is different in different countries. So in India, it's little different. In US, it's much more advanced. Okay, so so all over the world, you can go for either Lippincott or you can go for Levinson's. If you are in India, then there are different books. There is Apurva Shastri, and there is Ananthanarayan. Now, in my time, we used to have a separate book for parasitology, but now the times have changed. Although on Bukeshi, I have given you the parasitology book also, but now the times have changed and we don't need a separate parasitology book, because they are dividing it on the basis of systems, right? You can go for Ananthanarayan and Panikar's textbooks. Now, that's a really advanced book. Okay, so that's a little bit advanced book than the other Apurva Shastri. Apurva Shastri is simpler than the Anant Narayan. Okay, but you are going to really enjoy both of them if you read. Okay, now microbiology is something that you need to read it again and again, and you need to see you go to your laboratories, because all these tests, you won't remember these tests unless you see them. Okay, there is a lot, and you will realize that when you know all these tests, then microbiology will get very simple. Like, it's the most easiest subject of your third year. Okay, it's the second year, I guess. Yeah, so it's the most simple subject, the most. Okay, you can easily score really good in microbiology, and my score was highest in microbiology. It's not that I'm good student, I was a good student of, it's not that I was a good student in microbiology. No, I was not, but the subject is too easy. Okay, because if you know the fundamentals, okay, and the fundamentals is the diagnostics, so you should know the diagnostics, and of course we need an extra edge. So try to understand the variations of that diagnosis, and you start studying about the infectious diseases from the medicine book. Okay, for medicine, of course, this is not a video for medicine, but you can use the book Davidson's. A lot of people refer to Harrison's. Now, I actually wanted to take a Harrison's, but the problem was it's a really expensive book. So and that's really expensive. So you can either go for Davidson, or you can go for Kumar and Clark. I use Davidson. Some people prefer Kumar and Clark. So I choose Davidson over Kumar and Clark's, because Davidson looked really cool. Okay, that was the only reason. Okay, well, we should not judge a book by its cover, but Davidson is a really good book. Okay, and it's a bit cheaper than all other books. So that was my reason to choose microbiology. Okay, so this was a small video because we don't have many things in microbiology. One more thing, now because the system has changed, so on my website bukeshi.com, what I have done is I have shared all those microbiology related videos on the basis of their system, and I have taken the videos from YouTube and then I have shared them on my website bukeshi.com. Everything is there on my website. I have talked about the books there, I have talked about the videos there. Okay, I also had PPTs of different topics there, and I just shared them from some outside, but now those PPTs have gone, so I don't have them anymore. Okay, so I will be changing that soon, so keep updated. Whenever I'm going to do that, I'm going to upload a video on YouTube regarding that, as well as you can check the website and you will see that if something has changed in the video, and there are a lot of PPTs associated with my topic. Okay, so, and studying microbiology from PowerPoint presentation is going to be really helpful because you will get a lot of more points, and you will and everything will be in your mind, everything will get organized in your mind, and that will be helpful while you write your answers, as well as when you have to prepare for any presentations, because microbiology is a really important part of presentation, especially after COVID. So I think we can close up this video. So take care and God bless you, and keep watching this video. Okay, and keep watching videos from this channel, and subscribe, like, share, comment on whatever it is. Okay, so bye.